bunch of Vikings talking points, right? You worked hard on them.
Brought to you by Federated.
Giants start. The Dallas came out in five-man front. They started out with the four-man. To add an extra body, they blitz somebody off at the edge.
God, here we go again. I wanted their reaction to be a lot more visceral and less professional than it was. Because all they raised. Yeah, we had our nice little, we had our cute seasonal victory. He might lose his mind on it. This seems a little bit vicious to me. Big surprise Barrero is a fan of a salty, petulant former athlete who labels current athletes as those guys while attacking their win percentage. I wouldn't pick this week to go as far as Chris Carter did, but I just like that. I mean, I think even by Chris Carter standards, that would be considered a some of my favorite players played at Michigan, including Charles Woodson.
Yep.
But when he starts it, when he characterizes it the way he did today in that interview with, who was it with? Kay
Adams.
Kay Adams. It comes off a little bit like all the Michigan guys. Like all the,
When he says that, yeah.
how many other Michigan guys have been, have spoken the way JJ has? I don't even know very many. Have any others done alter egos?
Is that lined up with the cut?
I don't think Charles Woodson did.
Charles Woodson didn't, no.
Yeah, I don't think so. That's probably where he hurts himself just a little bit. But I think the lesson to me is we still got to see more. We're seeing some positive signs for sure, but we got to see. We can't go crazy and act like all is well, all is right with the world. Not enough has happened yet, especially when you factor in to play two really crappy defenses back to back, albeit the second one on the road, Dallas, Texas. Let's come back and chat with Nacho. He was there for all of it. We'll get leaders.